Hey everyone, this is Tammy. How are you? So tonight we did a Pinterest training for our Get Fearless Freedom members, and I just wanted to say that it was really fun. I just started posting my pins on Pinterest, and I already have 159 monthly views, which I just started a few days ago. So they considered it within the month. I just wanted to show you I have 10 followers, 11 following. Go ahead and follow me if you'd like down below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what I wanted to cover here is I have two digital information products. One is a marketing system. I've had this one for 7 years here. And then the other one is something we just launched. So it's called the 300 Cash Vault. It's a 200, in 2026, the year 2026. It's a $397 program, and you pay that one time and you get access for life. So what I wanted to talk about though is so cool how you can put up a pin on Pinterest and you can market your business, and it's like a search engine. So it's not only where you can have it's sort of like your hub. I guess you wouldn't want to call it a blog, but it's like a hub. And believe it or not, Pinterest is like a search engine. So people that are on Pinterest, and there's millions and millions and millions of people on Pinterest, by the way. And I just love it because it's so simple. It's not a hard platform to get established on. You just create an account, and then you go over here and you set up your profile. So for myself, been on a mission to help people in the past 14 years to learn how to earn money from the comfort of their home. And so I put my profile in here, and as you can see, you can read it. You can pause this video. You can read about me. But it's so fun because over here on Facebook, as you can see, just sending some of my members my training tonight, and they're just loving it. But it's different than Facebook. Facebook has a lot of different groups and things like that, whereas Pinterest is where you can put up a pin and then put people onto your list. Maybe you want to send them to your YouTube channel. Maybe you want to send them to your Facebook account, and you can do all that. So it's kind of like your center gravity of marketing. As you can see here, excuse me, here I have a video. It's got 59 views. So yeah, follow me on Pinterest. I will have more videos to post, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe.